Yo, what is up, guys? So today we were working on the NB Miata. I bought a front lip a while ago and I went ahead and paint matched it yesterday off of camera, but here's the front lip. Looking pretty good. It's the eBay lip. It's like everybody does it, but it's for the NB. So we're gonna be installing this eBay NB lip today, so let's get started. I had to pull off both the front tires because we're gonna have to screw the lip right here. So I got the drill and everything. We're gonna get started on this. Should be a simple process. Also, Jason's here. So, front lip is on. It needs a little bit of double-sided sticky tape in the one spot. They only gave us like 6 screws. And it's super bright out right now, so this dark car, it's hard to see. So, yeah, it looks cool though. So I'm gonna put the wheels back on, lower it down and whatnot, and we'll get a better view.
Baba booey. Baba booey.
I think the lip looks good. The paint matches a little bit off in the sun, but I think it looks good. I'm happy with it. But last night, if you remember from the previous videos, I had long hair.
Oh.
Now I'm bald. Shaved her all off because Jason here said he'd give me a grilled cheese burrito from Taco Bell, so I just had to rip her off, man. Needed a haircut anyway, so it is what it is. So now we're gonna go to Taco Bell. If you guys want to keep watching, you can keep watching. If not, this is the end of the GV eBay Miata lip install.
Baba booey.
Baba booey. Shout out to Jason. His Instagram will be in the bio.
Oh. You think the lady at the machine can hear me from here? Baba booey.
Hi, welcome to Taco Bell.
How you doing?
Dude, I love Taco Bell, man.
Shout out Taco Bell. They didn't write on them.
They didn't?
No.
Damn. So they didn't mark because I always get chicken instead of beef. And then they always give us no straws. They don't give us straws, but they did this time, so we'll give them A1. Let's find out. Oh yeah, Frizz is back there. Two Frizz. I don't know if you guys, I don't know if Frizz has been on the channel yet.
I don't think so.
Dude, I was.
We filmed that one video the one day, but that got scrapped.
Yeah, that was never posted.
So the grilled cheese burrito was definitely worth shaving my head. Oh, I'm bald. Egg. I'm an egg. Oh, put that back. But I'm really tempted to have them drive back through. I'm gonna get another one, plus cinnamon delights, plus another freezy. Because I don't get Taco Bell very often. I get it like once a week. So, like this video. If you hit that like button, we'll go back through the drive-thru. If you hit that like button.
Can I get a grilled cheese burrito? Substituted chicken.
They said make a car vlog. They said make YouTube videos. They said. Now I'm at Taco Bell filming us getting Taco Bell. That's really all my life is. If I'm not working on a car, or something, I'm either playing Minecraft, at work, or chilling with the homies getting Taco Bell. That's all I do. Of course my girlfriend, but I mean, Baba Booey.
It's the
Alright, it's been a while since we got Taco Bell, and now I'm filming on my phone because the camera died. We're here with Big T at T's house, and we're here with the 240. We're gonna get a little update on 240. How's the 240 coming, T?
Actually, good progress so far. I just finished the rear brake lines. It was kind of a pain, but
So,
it was fun.
you bought it probably about a month and a half ago or so,
Yeah.
and the brake lines were shot, and he's just kind of been working on the rear brake lines ever since. But, it's on jack stands. Oh God. But yeah, hopefully this thing's gonna at least make it to one sunset cruise by the end of the season. It's about time to put cars in garages and work on them over winter. I hope you guys liked this video. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Definitely subscribe for more content coming soon. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.